Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Play Store and immediately searching for a QR code scanner app. Pick one with recent updates and good ratings. Once you find candidates, tap Install and grant camera permission when prompted, because the scanner cannot work without it. You do this now rather than later to confirm functionality. Make sure your camera lens is clear and the device has adequate lighting. Once done, return to the app list and open the new scanner so you can configure its basic options. After opening the installed app, walk through its initial prompts and enable only the permissions you need. Camera and optionally storage are typical. You should turn on flashlight control for dark environments and ensure autofocus or continuous scan is active so codes read instantly. Configure scan history if you want records, and set link handling behavior for safety. Then test by pointing at a printed QR or a QR shown on another screen. If it fails, reposition slightly and let autofocus settle before trying again. To perform a live scan, hold your device steady and center the QR inside the guide. The app usually captures automatically, then shows a prompt to open links or save details. Make decisions consciously, verify a URL before you open it. Once finished, close the app to stop camera use. If scanning fails repeatedly, make sure camera permission is granted in system settings, clear the app cache, or reinstall. As a last resort, try an alternative scanner with better camera compatibility, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.